Hi, this is Garth Rose, co-founder and CEO of GenRocket, introducing you to GenRocket's test data automation platform, the future of test data management. At GenRocket, we're seeing a huge market trend going towards data security and all of the benefits of synthetic data being highly secure, more secure than old obfuscation masking techniques for data. And also with synthetic data, the ability to have the highest quality data for quality engineering environments. And that positions us, we believe, as the test data automation leader. We've been around a dozen years, customers in 14 different markets, customers now deploying GenRocket as their single standard across the global enterprise for quality engineering and for test data. And we have a US patent for this capability. These are just some of the vertical markets that we're very strong in: financial services, healthcare, insurance, et cetera. So let's sort of break this down a little bit. If you think about a quality engineering environment, a testing environment, ultimately epics break down to story scenarios and test cases. And test cases need data. And the reality is that production data copies are only happy path positive data. Yet in quality engineering, you need a lot more data than that. You need unique data, negative data, boundary condition data, volume, way more volume that's available in production. And so there's real data gaps in a production database, copy and limited coverage. So the market generally fills that with front-end data entry, spreadsheet scripting, some now with ChatGPT. But how do you build referential integrity at scale for an enterprise in a complex environment with these kinds of approaches? It really doesn't scale, it doesn't work. GenRocket offers design-driven synthetic data. So it doesn't matter what that particular test case objective is, we can provide test data cases that match up for that particular requirement in any volume, any variety and format mapped into the test case as part of the CI/CD pipeline. So if you look at data, traditional data is going to be in that orange column, the random yellow column. But in GenRocket, we can provide random data, but actually we can provide pattern data. So imagine scaling up to 1 million users that are unique. The pattern column allows us to go first name 1, first name 2, first name 1 million, and they're always going to be unique. And it lets us control the way our generators work, that you can actually have the negative, edge case, and null data values exactly the way you want them. And we can do this through a component called the generator. Today, 750 data generators for whatever value you want. There are parameters in the generators that control and condition how the data is output. We can even query from a source. We can send a prompt to a ChatGPT, or we can pull data from a database or from a file and blend that with the synthetically generated data, hand it off to a component we call a receiver to handle that data format. And market-leading number of formats, over 109 different data formats that are supported. You can see them on the screen, and always with referential integrity. We've also, over time, added to be a full one-stop shop as a test data management platform, synthetic data masking. So the synthetic data masking is more secure, or synthetic data replacement is more secure than the old obfuscation technique. And we build capabilities in the platform so we can grab subsets of data, do full masking for entire databases, or take popular file formats, you can see them on the right-hand side there, and mask those as well. So it's truly a one-stop shop where you can set your own pace of adoption. You're going to have higher security, higher quality in the right-hand side with synthetic data, but we offer the approach with masking as well. So it's not religious, it's really whatever you need. So to summarize what we've covered: market-leading synthetic data generation, design-driven data, data masking through synthetic data replacement, more secure, faster, data subsetting, 2.5 million rows in 60 seconds, orchestration into all kinds of lower environments and ephemeral environments, the ability to profile 16 different methods using metadata. And we also have partnerships that allow us to do full data profiling and scanning of data if that's necessary. Self-service portal, accelerators. We can design data from scratch for machine learning data use cases. And this data can always be integrated at the test case level. We have documentation of all the popular tools in the marketplace to integrate at the test case level as part of a CI/CD pipeline, and full analytics and reporting across that platform so you know who's doing what at any time. Well, thank you very much for listening to this GenRocket presentation about our test data automation platform.